Alright, back with this guy again. Where are we at, Wes?
We're at Holiday Inn Express in Quad Cities.
Yeah, getting some breakfast here early in the morning. He's about to run off to work for like all day. I'm just gonna be hanging out, kicking it at the hotel.
Yeah.
Alright. So this is our hotel of the second night, the Holiday Inn Express. Right now Wes is at work, so I got the truck to myself. So I'm gonna be I guess just cruising around, doing my thing. This is crazy. Dude, look at this. Look how high this is to get up here. Like, this is all the way up to, I don't know, well, you can probably see this, but my knees. Like, it's all the way up to almost the top of my thigh. It's freaking huge. God damn it. It's like climbing a mountain every time I get in here. This is how my morning's going.
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
All right, so here's the second hotel room. Got the bathroom right as you come in. Really nice bathroom. They got the Dove. I hooked us up there. The other place didn't have the best shampoos, but all Dove. I was like, oh yeah, okay. But got the little corner for whatever. The little coffee corner, of course, the mini fridge. Got the massage gun here, Theragun. You need that. Skating too much. Need to massage them muscles out. We got, the workbench, of course, all the usual stuff. And then the double beds as usual. Standard closet, and then our little view of just like the highway, I guess. And here's the whole room from the back. Yeah, it's been a pretty good trip so far. As you saw in this video, I just got a little nice session in by myself because Wes is at work right now. That's why we're out here. He's got some different compliance things that he's doing for companies like Eco, whatever. But yeah, he's killing it. So we're out here skating too, just because I was able to meet up with him and take advantage of all of this. But it's been awesome. I've been able to meet up with Wes and get at all these skate parks and experience all this stuff here. And we're going, I guess, right after I pick him up in about an hour, we're gonna go to his house and then possibly skate at Third Lair tomorrow or something. I don't know. I gotta find out what the schedule is, but yeah, stay posted and skate.